Okay, as you can see, these bar charts show the movement of all sales for Julia, a fashion magazine from 2008 to 2011. In the first chart, notice that the three first years the sales increased in 20 million, but the last year they decreased a little bit. Then in the second chart, note that the average of people under 25 years old has not been the best market for this magazine. People from 25 to 50 years old remained stable the first 2 years, and then they were surprisingly more attracted by this magazine. And after all, the average of people over 50 years old dropped over the years. The important thing here is that the best year for the magazine was 2010, and in that year the age breakdown of readership was kind of stable.